everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I want to talk about a few luxury handbags that are under the price of $1,200. Still expensive, but not as expensive as most of the bags.
So until then, just wait.
If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, my name is Kenzie. I'm so happy to have you. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, travel, luxury fashion, all that good stuff. So if you're into those kinds of things, or if you just like the vibe here, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. But yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. With the price increases happening very often with these fashion houses, I scoured the internet to find some bags that are still affordable and that are within $1,200 and under. Let's be totally honest, is anything actually affordable after you reach like $500? I don't know. I think that depends on the person buying it. It depends on who you're asking, but in retrospect, all of these bags are definitely a luxury price. They're not cheap in any form of the word compared to pretty much all of the other luxury bags that are like $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 and up. I did find some good ones that I do think are worth it and are on the lower end of the spectrum. Just a little disclaimer before we actually get started, most of the bags on this list are going to be on the smaller end of the scale. They're going to be like small to mini size bags, just because those are the ones that I could find that were in like the $1,200 and under mark. So if you're someone that prefers a larger bag, I will definitely be making a bag, like a larger bag version of this, but it would probably be under like $2,000 because I could not find a larger bag that was under 1,200 bucks. I just could not find it for some reason. But if you are a fan of tiny bag energy, then you will definitely like this list. And obviously all of these bags that I talk about are this price as of me filming this. If any of these fashion houses have a price increase or something happens and it becomes more expensive, I do apologize. But as the time that I'm filming this, all of these bags are $1,200 and under. The first one I have, let me scooch over here. The first one I have here is actually the Mini Alexa by Mulberry. I really like this bag. This bag comes in directly at $1,200 and it's really one of my favorite bags on this list. I think it's so cute. It comes in this really beautiful chestnut color, which is the one that I really like. It comes in this nice chalky kind of color. They have a pink one right here and they have like a black and some other kind of seasonal colors. I think these bags are super nice. I have seen these and worn these in person. I have a vlog. It's about a month old and I did see the Mini Alexa in person and I got to feel the leather and kind of see what it was like, and I really was impressed. For the bag to be like $1,200, I think the craftsmanship is wonderful. Black heavy grains, like black heavy grain leather. I do believe that is bovine leather, but still it's very soft. It's really supple. It does have kind of like a slouchy feel to it. It's not super structured. I think this bag is great for every day. I think if you want a very casual bag but you want it to be a little bit elevated, this is 100% the bag for you. This is the cutest little thing, and looks are very deceiving. I know this says Mini Alexa, but it actually fits quite a lot. When I saw it at the store, I saw it at a Nordstrom near me. When I saw it there, I put all of my stuff that was in my current bag into the Mini Alexa and it fit just fine with extra room actually. So you can actually fit quite a bit in this bag and it not look bulky or be like poking out in any kind of weird way. So this one, I think I'm gonna say this one is my top pick. So if any of the ones that I talk about, I do suggest this one highly. I like it a lot. Next up, I have the Saint Laurent, or just Saint Laurent Uptown chain wallet. These come in loads of different colors. Well, the ones that I see here are like white, black, brown. There's probably more colors that I'm just not. Ooh, there's like a nice like olive green color. That one's really cool. But these are for the people that really love the idea of like a chain wallet, like a wallet on chain kind of thing, if you know what I mean. These are so popular right now. They're super in. They're so cute. Definitely more of an evening time situation, if I do say so myself. More of a formal evening, nighttime same difference event, you know what I mean, but nonetheless still super freaking adorable. I do have a YSL bag. It's up here, you're not gonna be able to see it, but I do have it. It's a YSL Lulu Puffer. It's in the mini size, and it's just one of the best bags that I own. I love it so much. The leather is so nice, and even though that bag is more expensive than these wallet on chains, I still just think the wallet on chains do really show the craftsmanship of Saint Laurent, and the leather on these bags are just so beautiful. I have not seen this one in person myself, but if they're anything like the Lulu bags or anything like that, even the SLGs are just beautiful. I think this would be a really great option, and it's coming in at $1,190, and definitely just a great option if you're looking for a really beautiful nighttime bag. Also, if you're not into Saint Laurent, Balenciaga does have one, and it is the Hourglass. It's a mock croc as well, so it's not a real croc, which is great, and it is one of their Hourglass bags. This one, I'm gonna include it. It's technically $90 over budget, but it's $1,290, so 90 bucks over budget. Take that what you will. It comes in black and gold, a good old classic, and then it comes in this nude beige, and it kind of pulls a tiny bit pink. It's really, really nice. So if you're not into the Saint Laurent look and you like more of the Balenciaga look, I would highly recommend that one as well. All right, you guys. The next one, I'm gonna need you to not hate me over. I feel like, and I don't really know why, I feel like Coach. It's Coach. Let your outbursts be heard now. For some reason, I feel like Coach is just kind of like got, I don't know, a bad reputation or something. I have no idea why, because I personally quite like Coach. When I was younger, my mom used to have a couple Coach bags, and I really liked the way they look. I've never once looked at a Coach bag and gone like, ew. I don't know, but I think people just nowadays are, if it's not over $1,000, then it's not considered a luxury bag, which is not true at all in my opinion. I think luxury, number one, is in the eye of the beholder. You know, even though something has a very large price tag, doesn't make it, I mean, technically it makes it luxury, but all of these bags are considered luxury because you don't really need them. I mean, you could technically just, you know, buy a bag on Amazon for $5. Even though this bag from Coach is significantly cheaper, it's still considered luxury in my opinion. But this is the Coach Tabby 26, and this is the cutest little bag. Oh my god. So they have one that is like a pillow tabby one. It's kind of like a puffer situation, which I love, 2 literal pieces. And then there's another type that's just leather. It's not puffy, it's just a regular kind of leather, and it looks so freaking cute. I did see these at the store. I saw these at the Coach store nearest me, and they are the cutest things. Also, they do fit quite a lot as well. This one, that is the puffy one, is $495. The regular leather one is $395. So an absolute wonderful amount for these bags. And I do see that the pillow one comes in this really nice beigey cream color, and then it comes in a black, really, really beautiful. And then I'm seeing loads of colors in the regular leather. It comes in a white with gold hardware, and then there's one that's like a black with gold hardware, of course. And keeping with the more affordable type of luxury bags, I want to talk about the Marc Jacobs tote bag, you guys. This bag I want. This one I do believe is quite a newer release. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I do think it's relatively new. But guys, this tote bag is just freaking stunning in my opinion. I really love it. It recently came out in a pink color. I love it, 2 pieces, but it's a tote bag. It's great. I love tote bags. I really actually want to get a tote bag at some point. Me and my husband really want to go on like a nice trip, of course when it's safe to do so, but I want to get a tote bag for when we go on that trip. And this one comes in, I think, a few sizes. There's a small tote bag here that is like a beautiful chestnut color, and it is $450. There's a mini tote bag that's $375. Oh, okay, so there is a regular one that's just called the tote bag, and it I believe is the standard. It's $550. Definitely not bad for a tote bag. And then you have again the small one, $450, and then the mini one, $375. Absolutely such a good price for these, and from what I've seen, they're very popular already. And I've been seeing there's this channel called Minx for All. She's really great. I'm loving her content. She just got the pink one, I believe, and I think she's really loving it. And obviously, I should have said this in the beginning of the video, but all the bags I talk about today are going to be linked in the description if you wanted to do a little shopperoo. Everything's going to be linked for you. The tote bag from Marc Jacobs, 100. I love it. 100? Why did I say it like that? I really think that you should get this bag if it's something that you're into. Speaking of another tote, I have another option. The other option I have for you is going to be the Chloe Woody tote right here. For the Chloe Woody tote, it comes in 3 sizes. That's what I can see. It may come in bigger, but I think I just see 3. It comes in a large, which is $1,050, and it comes in multiple colors as well. There's a medium one that's $950, and then there is a small, which is, I don't know, one of them, I'm looking on the Chloe website, one of them says small, one of them has a strap and you can wear it like on your shoulder, and the other one doesn't. The one that doesn't is $790. It's just like a top handle, and it's the small one. There's a small that comes with a strap that is $950. So there's that, but it comes in loads of different colors, and this is just the cutest beach bag. I feel like if you were to like go on a vacation, like a tropical paradise destination, this would be the bag I would take. It would be the cutest freaking thing. I love the kind of like material that it's made out of, and they even have ones for the winter months as well. I do see one here that's like a small one, and it's in Sherpa. That's adorable. I wouldn't get the Sherpa one right now because we're going into spring summer, but this one is just another fantastic option. Okay, the last bag I want to talk to you about today is by Bottega Veneta. Again, this one is definitely more of like a tiny bag energy situation because it is the cassette mini bag. These are actually coming in at like $1,000. They're gonna be really small, I think. I haven't seen these in person, but they're definitely gonna be pretty small, I believe. The cassette minis come in a load of different colors. They come in brown, black, blue, yellow, beige, green, lilac, white. Loads of colors, really, really cute. Are they going to fit anything? Probably maybe a lipstick and a card holder, and then that's it. Honestly, I'm not sure. I can just imagine they're going to fit this much, but I could be proven totally wrong. I've just seen these tiny bags and they just fit like maybe some coins. You guys, that has been my list of bags that you can still get for under $1,200. Again, they are this price while I'm recording this video. If any of them increase in price, I do apologize. These price increases have just been insane, and I don't know why they keep doing them, but they do. But I hope that you enjoyed my list, and again, I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Please, again, feel free to subscribe and click the like button, and make sure to ding the bell down there so that you're notified every time that I upload, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!